Welcome back to What I Tasted. I'm Jeremiah. Today I'm going to be making a vegan, gluten-free protein. This protein is going to be a great chicken substitute. It's going to be pretty quick to make and it's pretty inexpensive, especially when you compare it to the price of chicken. On top of that, I'm going to be making this into 5 different recipes. So the first thing I'm going to do is just heat up some vegetable stock, and I'm just going to get about 3/4 cup of vegetable stock. I'm going to throw it in the microwave, get it nice and hot. Now as that vegetable stock heats up in the microwave, I'm just going to add about a cup and a half of textured vegetable protein to this bowl, and I'm just going to add that hot vegetable stock to the TVP, and I'm going to let that sit for about 10 minutes. The other thing I'm doing here is I took some tofu and I just added it to my tofu press to get out as much of the liquid from this tofu as possible. Okay, I'm just going to get some white beans, and just using the canned white beans, totally fine. I don't need a lot, so I'm just going to strain out the beans. And so really I just need about 2 ounces of the beans to a blender. Just about like so. I get about 6 ounces of tofu, and I'm just going to add the tofu in here. I'm going to add most of that tofu. I'm just going to add some umami sauce, some lemon, some apple cider vinegar, add some oil, okay, and I'm just going to start adding in the TVP here. It can be easier to just kind of spoon it in, so it'll certainly take a minute. Okay, so now we basically have this thick paste. So I'm just going to go through and make sure that this is mixed well. Okay, so that looks good. Now we're going to add some dry ingredients to a different bowl here. Nutritional yeast. Some chickpea flour. Some onion powder, garlic powder, poultry seasoning, salt, and some pepper. I'm going to mix this powder and dry ingredients together because this is going to activate all the flavor in our protein. Now time to add it to the wet ingredients. I'll have to get in here and work this in with my hands in a moment here, but just want to get the mixture a little bit less wet before I do that. Now as I do this, I'm not really attempting to knead this mixture as much as I am just compacting all the flavors in together, because there's no vital wheat gluten in here, so we don't need to activate any gluten, so kneading this isn't necessary. Alright, so there we go. This is what we're looking for this mixture, and now I'm going to go ahead and put this together to go ahead and steam. Okay, so basically I separated the mixture into 6. And so I'm just kind of compacting it into a ball, because the key, of course, is compacting it. And then I'm just going to shape this into general chicken patty or chicken fillet shape. Whatever you really want to go for, it's totally up to you. I'm just going to go like that, and then I put down a little bit of oil. Just going to spread that out. And just wrap it up. Just a loose wrap is fine. All right, so unwrapping these, here is our chicken protein after we take it out from steaming. So now I'm gonna pan fry these and try it out. Okay, so to pan fry, just heat up some oil, put the chicken right on the hot skillet. When it comes to macros on this protein patty, we're talking about 130 calories, 12 grams of protein, about 5 grams of fat, and about 10 grams of carbs, right? So that's absolutely fantastic. And now I'm gonna try it out and let you know if this is a good chicken alternative. This absolutely is a great chicken alternative. Tastes fantastic. You get a hit, you get that chicken coming through there. If you were to just take a piece of chicken fillet and cook that off, pan sear it, you don't get a lot of flavor. This you do. Lots of flavor, crispiness on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside, but it is loaded with flavor that you can eat as is. This is fantastic. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how you can use this in a recipe. So let's continue this journey.